Hey guys, what's up? Scott Lenox here from Hooked on OC, and I am at one of my spots. I'm at 30th Street and the Bay at this giant complex we love to call Jolly Roger Amusement Park and Speed World with my very good friend. We don't shake hands anymore, buddy.
We love it up,
We
buddy.
don't shake hands anymore.
That's what we do.
Dean Langrall, man, in the house. So
How
if
are
people
you?
haven't
How are
guessed
you,
already,
Scott?
I'm fantastic.
Good,
How are you?
good.
Yeah, if people haven't guessed it already, buddy, it's that time of the year again.
It is.
We've even gotten a little bit more
Like
accessorized.
a little more festive, don't you
It's
think?
awesome stuff, man. We do it because there's a really good reason. You guys have a gigantic sale here over the Thanksgiving holiday. Tell me all about it.
Well, it is our now world famous
It's world
Black
famous.
Friday
Yep.
sale, and you and I have been doing this for 4 or 5 years. I think
Yep.
this is our 7th year celebrating Black Friday, November the 25th, the day after Thanksgiving. But it's become a real kind of a family tradition here in Ocean City. You can save 50% off all of our 2023 passes.
That's crazy.
That day from 8 until 5. That's Black Friday right here at the Speed World building located on 30th Street.
And it's not just come in here and get 50% off. You guys have a party here, man. You got hot chocolate and cookies on, games are on, all kinds of stuff.
We do kind of go over the top a little bit trying to celebrate. With the entire interior of Speed World will be decorated. We've got fire pits outside. We've got radio remotes going on. You go inside and we've got complimentary hot chocolate, hot apple cider. We've got Hopi's array of baked goods, cookies, candies, all complimentary, all free. We want everybody to have a good time and feel like this is really a family experience.
That's all complimentary too. Right?
Yeah.
Plus you're saving 50% on season tickets. I mean, you're talking like
50% on everything. And we were talking earlier, with inflation being what it is, what a great place to save on Christmas presents right here, Black Friday, 50% off.
This is an awesome stocking stuffer. My kid got this a couple of years ago.
Oh, yeah?
He was here all summer long. His buddies, even though we live locally, he wants to be here all the time. The beach is awesome, There's no two ways. We have one of the best beaches around.
Right, but there's a lot more to do here.
There's way more to do here, man. You got all these awesome water slides. You got the games. You got the go-karts. It's all right here in this couple of blocks you guys have, and it's an awesome time. So even though we live 10 minutes away, he came all summer long. So if you're here or live anywhere close, you come down, you have a place to stay where you and the family come several weekends throughout the year. You save money by doing this.
Yeah, you're right. You touched on the Splash Mountain season pass. We saw an awful lot of those to locals and visitors alike, because at half price you can get in for the same price you'd pay for 2 days admission. It's crazy. It's crazy good.
It's dumb not to do it, honestly.
Right.
So guess what? I have a problem. I'm not going to be around Friday. I'm going to be on a cruise, honestly.
Really?
And I can't be here. So you got anything for me for not being able to be here if I want to take advantage?
We do. Every year we also have a Cyber Monday sale. So
all right.
If I'm doing my math right, that would be the 28th.
That's correct.
Of November from midnight until midnight.
Okay.
You'll save 30% off.
Whoa.
Online only on Cyber Monday. You need to use the secret code, Jolly Santa 2023. Jolly Santa 2023, all caps, no spaces.
Got it.
And save 30% when you check out.
You throw that into the coupon code at the end of the checkout, is what you're
Exactly.
saying. Jolly Santa 2023. That's a great deal, because like guys like me that can't be in town and come here and take advantage of the in-person sale, 30% is still pretty darn good.
Yep.
And honestly, there's a lot of online business happening on Monday, and I'll take advantage of that for sure.
Yeah, and online sales for everyone just have grown, every year, and we hope the same holds true for us this year.
Yeah, I think.
But again, Black Friday is the bomb diggity, the Wig sale that we have. That's 50% off all day from 8 to 5, Friday the 25th of November.
Yeah, if you can be here in person, you definitely want to take advantage of that. If you can't, make sure you go online. What's the website?
The website's www.jollyrogerpark.com.
JollyRogerPark.com. Dino, I'm going to do a Dino. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas to you, buddy. Merry Christmas to you, buddy.
Bye-bye.
You want to sign us out?
Folks, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more information right here.
JollyRogerPark.com, folks. I'll see you here. And if I won't see you here on Friday, but I might see you online Monday the 28th for the big sale.
I'm going to miss
Santa
you. I'm going to
2023.
miss you not being here on Friday.
I'm going to miss the cookies.
All right, buddy. Take care.